Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I thought it was being such a rainy day, I would try out the Poncho. See how she does in the rain. I'm sure it will do fine, but you know, the proof's in the video. Yeah, seems to be doing just fine. I'm not getting wet underneath at all. I tuck my arms in just to keep my hands from getting wet, because your hands get wet and they get cold and it's uncomfortable, but yeah, I think that'll do nicely. I noticed that by tucking my hands inside, I'm able to put my hands in my coat pocket, keeping them warm. Yeah, so let's pull this off under the cover, and then we'll totally dry underneath. I call that a win. That'd be good on a day hike or just in kind of an outing. I like it. And as always, I thank you for watching. This will be just a quick little video. I'll put the original video down in the description so you can check it out along with the ground cover as well. And I'll probably just spread this out on the table here so it can dry. Probably go home and hang it in the shower so I can roll it up, not wet, because that's how it'll get all stinky. So anyway, thank you for watching. I'll catch you next one. If you have any questions, put them down below.